In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Maps to Base44 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll have Google's Places data powering your location fields in Base44, ready for autocomplete and accurate place details. We'll start in Google Cloud, then finish the connection inside Base44. First, sign into the Google Cloud console. If you don't already have a project, create a new one. If you do, select the project you want to use for this integration. Keeping a dedicated project for integrations makes it easier to manage keys and usage later. Next, open the left sidebar and go to APIs and Services, then Library. In the search bar, look for Places API, New. Open it and click Enable. This activates the service for your project so Base44 can request place details and suggestions. If you see prompts about billing, follow them as needed. Many Google Maps platform services require a billing account, even for low volume use. With the API enabled, head to the Credentials section under APIs and Services. Click Create Key, choose an API key, and copy the value that's generated. Treat this key like a password, store it securely, and avoid sharing it publicly. If you want extra protection, you can restrict the key by application or domain later, but for now, keep the key handy for the Base44 setup. Now switch to your Base44 dashboard and log in. From the main navigation, open the Integrations area, scroll or search for the Google Places integration, and click into it. If your account is on the free tier, you'll need to upgrade to the Builder tier or higher to use this integration. Upgrading ensures you have access to the features that call Google's APIs. Once you're on the right plan, click Use this integration. A field will appear asking for your Google API key. Paste the key you copied from the Google Cloud console and double check there are no extra spaces before or after it. Then save your changes. Base44 will store the key and connect to the Places API behind the scenes. At this point, your integration should be active. In your app or forms that use location fields, you should see autocomplete suggestions and place details start working. If something doesn't look right, confirm that the Places API is enabled in your Google project. Make sure you pasted the correct key and verify your Base44 plan includes the integration. Also keep an eye on usage. Hitting limits can affect results. That's it. Google Maps data via the Places API is now connected to Base44. Thanks for watching and happy building.